Thank you, Lady Legs, for sending me this video. Very interesting indeed. It's really crazy. Me and Monique were talking about healing bowls today. She even donked one. And she said how much she loved them because she's got one in her house. So that's really crazy. But anyway, listen to what happens with this baby. Brilliant. And this is probably why they took them away, because they didn't want us healing ourselves. We had to have that pharmaceutical rather than going to salt seas, salt water and things like this. These are sound bowls. Anyway, let's play the video. Thank you very much to this channel for making this video.